Hey Vikram, you are the smartest bird around. Can you make equations easy for me to understand?
Absolutely, Ravi. Equations are like a balancing act, just like when you try to balance a banana on your trunk.
Oh, I love balancing bananas. How does that relate to equations?
Well, in maths, equations are like balancing numbers. We have two sides, just like you balancing the banana. Our goal is to make both sides equal, just like you keeping the banana steady.
So, it's like a game of balance.
That's right, Ravi. Let me show you. Imagine we have the equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. We want to find the value of x that makes both sides equal.
Juggling numbers? This sounds fun.
It sure is, Ravi. We can perform tricks on the equations. Let's start by subtracting 3 from both sides, just like you catching a banana mid-air.
Got it. Next move?
Now we have 2x is equal to 6. To find x, we can divide both sides by 2. It's like splitting a banana into equal pieces.
I'm getting really hungry now. What's the final result?
Ta-da! Now we have x is equal to 3, just like enjoying a tasty banana.
Yum! So x is equal to 3 is the solution?
You nailed it, Ravi. We found the magic number that makes the equation work. I hope you understand algebraic equation. Let's understand some examples. To solve an equation, our aim is to find the value or values of the variables that satisfy the equation. The goal is often to isolate the variable on one side of the equation. Here are some common techniques used to solve equations. Addition or subtraction. Adding or subtracting the same value to both sides of the equation. Example, solve the equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. Here, addition of 3 is we need to add opposite of same number. Therefore, subtract 3 from both the sides. 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 3. Simplify. 2x is equal to 6. Here 2 multiplied by x, therefore we need to divide both sides by 2. X is equals to 6 divided by 2. Simplify. X is equals to 3. Next is multiplication or division. Multiplying or dividing both sides of the equation by the same value. Example, solve the equation 4y is equals to 12. Divide both sides by 4. What we'll get? Y is equals to 12 divided by 4. Y is equals to